Hi, it's me, Miss Bays, and today we're going to have so much fun playing with sounds. We're going to work on something called phonemic awareness, and that is when you can hear the sounds in words. The first thing we're going to work on is rhyming words. So I'm going to say a set of words, so 2 words, and you're going to give me a thumbs up if they rhyme and a thumbs down if they don't rhyme. I'll let you answer, I'll give you a little time, and then we'll check it together. Are we ready to go? Let's do it. Our first 2 words are frog, log. Do frog and log rhyme? Thumbs up or thumbs down? I hope you said thumbs up. Frog and log rhyme. If not, that's okay. We're going to keep on trying. Remember, rhyming words end in the same sound, like frog and log both end with og. Next words, box, fox. Thumbs up, box and fox rhyme. Next, pig, wig. Pig, wig, thumbs up. Pig and wig rhyme. They both end with ig. Next, star, rock. Thumbs down. Star and rock do not rhyme. They don't end in the same sound. The last ones, chair, bear. Thumbs up. Chair and bear rhyme. Great job doing rhyming words. Next, we're going to listen for the beginning sound of a word. So I'm going to say a sound and you're going to tell me the first sound you hear in the word. For example, if I said zebra, you would say z. Let's try some. Your first word is kite. What is the first sound in kite? K, k is the first sound you hear in kite. Next, mouse. Nest. Fish. Listen to this next one carefully. Your next word is drum. Drum. The first sound is d, drum. Great job hearing the beginning sounds in words. Next, we're going to put some sounds together. So I'm going to say 3 sounds, and you're going to put those sounds together to make a word. Remember to say it out loud, and then we'll check it together. Your first one is b-e-d. Bed. Next is hat. Hat. Next is k-a-p. Cap. R-o-p. Rope. L-o-g. Log. Great job hearing those sounds to make a whole word. Next, we're going to do the opposite. You're going to break the word apart to make a sound. For example, like the word bed, I would say bed and you would say b-e-d. Let's try some. Your first word is sun. Sun. S-n. Next word, map. Map. M-a-p. Next word, pen. Pen. P-e-n. Next word, cat. Cat. K-a-t. Last word, break up the sounds in the word top. Top. T-a-p. Great job hearing the sounds in words and breaking them apart. Next, you're going to add a prefix to a word. So I'm going to say a word and then you're going to add a beginning to the word. So let's do one together. If I said tie, and add un, the new word would be untie. So tie, add un, untie. Now it's your turn. Let's try a few. Say the word place. Add re. Replace. Next word, say happy. Add un to the beginning. Unhappy. Say heat. Add pre to the beginning. Preheat. Say view. Add re to the beginning, and what do you have? Review. Great job. Pat yourself on the back. You did so great today. Keep practicing, and if this was a little bit of a challenge, you can always go back and do it again for extra practice. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.